Today we're going to be talking about the endocrine system. The first part of it is the hypothalamus. It maintains homeostasis, which is the regular functions of your heart rate, blood pressure, body temperature, and other things. This is the link between the endocrine and the nervous system. It produces releasing and inhibiting hormones, which stop and start the production of other hormones throughout the body. It's located between the thalamus and the pituitary gland. It's about the size of an almond in the brain, and it produces ADH, CRH, oxytocin, PRH, and TRH, which triggers thyroid hormones. This is the pituitary gland, and it's the master gland because it controls other glands. It's above the hypothalamus, and it's about the size of a pea. It has two parts, the inside, which is the anterior lobe, and the outside, which is the posterior lobe. It sends signals to start and stop hormone production. The anterior produces hormones such as ACTH, FSH, which is the growth hormone, and prolactin. The posterior does not produce hormones. Your thyroid is in your throat, and it regulates metabolism, which is breaking down food to convert it into energy. That's why you hear some people have a slow or a fast metabolism, because each body is different. It has two main hormones, and those are T3 and T4. When the thyroid isn't breaking down enough food, the hypothalamus produces TRH, which tells thyroid to produce TSH. These are the parathyroid glands, and there are 4 of them on each thyroid. They are small grains of rice. They regulate the body's calcium levels, which keep your bones strong and cause your muscles to contract. And it produces PTH, which is the parathyroid hormone.
So the adrenal glands are located on top of each kidney like a little hat. And the function are these glands produce sex hormones and cortisol, which respond to stress and regulate metabolism. So the pineal body is located in the brain right under the hypothalamus. It's like a pine cone, and it secretes the hormone melatonin. So the pancreas is located in the abdomen and converts food into energy, helps with digestion, and breaks down foods. The reproductive glands are the gonads. In females, they're eggs and ovaries, and they produce estrogen, and in males, they're in testicles and sperm, and they produce testosterone.
Pituitary gland, the growth hormone is released, and it stimulates growth and it increases the amount of stress and fatigue in a person. Second, there's the thyroxine, and that is produced in the thyroid gland, and then it travels down to the kidney and is turned into T3, and that just helps brain development and metabolism and other digestive functions. Third is calcitonin. It reduces the amount of calcium in the blood, and it's produced by the parathyroid gland. And fourth is epinephrine, or adrenaline, and it is produced by the adrenal glands, and it stimulates the fight or flight response.
Melatonin is produced and released in the pineal gland. Melatonin affects people's behaviors by making them tired. More is released at night. Testosterone plays a role in many behaviors, such as aggression and dominance, sexual activity, confidence, lack of motivation, and competition all cause testosterone levels to fall and rise. It is produced by the gonads. Insulin helps regulate hunger, impacts feeding behavior, body weight. Insulin is produced in the pancreas, and estrogen affects people's emotional behavior, also affects recognition accuracy for facial expressions. In women, estrogen is produced in the ovaries.